Is there a simple practice that you could share with our listeners that they could try perhaps after our interview, just to give them a little taste of?
Well, probably the easiest thing to do would be, I think if you have a link to a free ebook that I wrote and published.
Yeah.
I could just easily go and sign up for my email list and download that ebook, and it guides them through a very simple lesson which addresses tension in the neck, shoulders, upper back, and also introduces some very fundamental ideas about the Feldenkrais method, how we approach a lesson, and what is a Feldenkrais lesson. And that would be the most simple way for somebody to get the direct experience of it.
We'll put the link under your interview so that the people can dive into that.
Great, yeah. And if they like to be guided through a lesson, I have a lot of just individual lessons that I published on my website. And you can go there, they can read the description. A lot of them are highly reviewed. So they're inexpensive too, they're $9 each. So it's a really nice way to get into having an experience of the Feldenkrais method. Yeah. And really finding out what's it about, how does it feel, how do you do a lesson, and what are the benefits of it subjectively. We've talked about it objectively. The subjective experience of the method is a whole other experience.
Yeah, yeah.